Hey there, how are you doing today? Let's fold something fun together. We're going to make a little paper tree. You will need 2 square sheets of paper, 1 green and 1 brown. Ready? Let's begin. Take the green paper first and place it with the green side facing down. Now fold it in half from one corner to the other to make a triangle. Then open it up flat again. Next, fold one side in toward the center line, just like this. Now do the same on the other side. Great! It's already starting to look like the top of a tree. See the small triangle at the bottom? Let's fold it up and press it down nice and neat. Now flip the whole thing over. We have a cute little treetop. Let's make the trunk next. Take the brown paper and place the brown side down. Fold it in half. Then fold it in half again to make a long, skinny strip. That was easy, right? Now take the green part we made earlier. Put some glue at the back of the green part. And stick it right on the trunk of the tree. You did it! You made your very own paper tree. Thanks for folding with me today. If you had fun, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss what's next. We'll make more fun crafts right here on Fold with B. See you again soon!